Next up, these delicious chicken schnitzels with a twist.
Everyone loves a chicken snitty. In my house, we have them probably once or twice a week. We love them. You egg it, you flour the chicken, and then you crumb it. But what I love to do, you've got to add some extra flavour into your crumbs. I've got some stock powder, some chicken stock powder that I'm just gonna put in there. My little girl loves chicken schnitzels, and I love the flavour that this gives. You can never have too much flavour, right? Mix the crumb in. Right, I'm gonna start the repetitive egg flour crumb, egg flour crumb. I actually find it quite nice. It's a bit of me time, really. All right, let's cook. So I've just finished cooking the chicken schnitzels. I gotta say, they are so crispy and golden and delicious. And I've just made a little Caprese salad with a bit of bocconcini and some basil and some tomato, a bit of olive oil, balsamic. And I'm just gonna put that on top because salad on top of schnitzel just seems to be the rage these days.